Tips and tricks for camping in the great outdoors. Camping can be a great way to get out and enjoy the outdoors. It can also be an experience that you would give anything to forget. If you properly plan for your trip, it will turn out great. Use the following tips to prepare for your next camping trip to make it one you want to remember. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. Always take a fully stocked first aid kit when you venture out on a camping trip. You can put together your own kit with bandages, gauze pads, tweezers, scissors, antibacteria cream and antiseptic wipes in a sturdy container. You can also buy one of the many excellent ready-made kits to save time. If you are interested in camping, and you are new to the activity, then you should never start out alone. It can be quite dangerous if you don't know what you are doing, so it is important to bring along an experienced friend to help you learn the ropes. Now that you have a good idea about how to plan for your camping trip, you can start planning and packing. Explore the wonders that nature has provided you to enjoy. Keep your camera ready. You are going to want to capture as many memories as possible on your next camping excursion. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.